rain stopped, streets still drip, streetlights pull shadows long. I walk the old road slow, each step on memories. The convenience store still lit, like where we'd hide from storms. I buy the coffee you loved, with no one left to share. When the rain stops, my heart's still pouring, pouring all night. Can't turn it off. When the rain stops, the nights get colder, cold enough to frost my breath. When the rain stops, I learn to stop, smile and say I'm doing fine. When the rain stops, the tears get heavier, silently flowing at night. If it rains once more, will you come back by my side? I haven't deleted all the photos. Sometimes I pause on one. You're smiling so bright, like sunlight through gray. Your scent's gone from the room. I can't throw away your clothes. I try to let go, but I can't let